Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Brian reporting to you from my home office here in Garner. As you can see, this is a trading chart for the Dow 322 contract on a 3 minute chart. You guys probably know I do sell a course on trading the E-mini Dow. I just a lot of experimentation with it, and I came up with a great methodology. uh, I did a test of like 45 days, and 44 out of the 45 days were very profitable, between 8 to 10 points. And it's about consistency in trading. There are a lot of trading courses out there. Let me tell you, a whole lot of trading courses out there. I remember I purchased one course. It was about $497, and it was on a guy's website and everything. And so he was saying that his method was really good and so forth and so on. So it was at a pretty good price. So I went ahead and purchased it. So this his course was primarily for the SP 500, and the course was okay, but the methodology, it worked sometimes, but it didn't work a lot of the times. And even when it did work, you got into a deficit so much that it was almost to the point where you wanted to get almost got stopped out, and then it would kind of turn around. But um, you know, I just I don't know. It was one of those kind of things. I don't use the course anymore. I just kind of say, you know what, I have something good here, so I'm going to use what I know that works for me. Okay, so the whole point in trading is, you want to get quick profits. Okay, you want to get quick profits. You don't want to be in a trade for a really, really, really long time, and you're going up and up and down, up and down. You want to make some quick profits. Right away. There's nothing wrong with trading for a while, but you want to be in a situation where you are able to get into a trade, make your quick profit, and if you want to continue to stay in, that's fine. But if you don't want to, then you can end it for the day. The way I have this thing structured is that you make your profit fairly quickly. A lot of times when the entry signal is triggered, if you will, you will probably make your profit between 3 to 5 minutes after that happens. Okay, so that's a really good thing that you want to consider doing. Again, there's a lot of courses out there. I'm not knocking any courses, but you got to be really careful when you decide to purchase a course because, again, a lot of the methodologies that are taught, they work, but they're not consistent. Okay, they're not consistent, and then they put you in a situation where you're down, hundreds of thousands of dollars, and it could continue to go in that direction, or it could turn around. But you don't want to put yourself in that situation. Okay, that's all I'll say with that. So, again, I have a course here that I offer money back guarantee. I do, because if it doesn't work, then don't pay for it. Simple as that. But you got to use the methodology as I tell you how to do it. Very simple, very plain, very simple. And we're looking for 8 to 10 points on the E-mini Dow on a daily basis. You will normally get that signal 9 times out of 10. Well, probably more than that, but you'll get that signal, and uh, you should profit very highly most of the time. Okay, again, I did this method for 45 days. I conducted a test. 44 out of 45 days, it was profitable. Okay, between 8 to 10 points, and 8 to 10 points equates to, if you're trading one contract, okay, on 8 points, that's $40 gross. On 10 points for on one contract, that is $50 per contract gross. Now, that's not a lot of money, but if you're trading multiple contracts, if you're trading, say, 10 contracts instead of one, you'll be making $400, and then $500 for 10 points, okay? I'm not making any promises here. I'm not saying you'll definitely do that, by no means. I'm just saying, I'm just giving you potential that you can do that. But what I like about this course is that you can scale. You first and foremost, when you trade, no matter what, you always trade on a demo account until you get comfortable. Okay, trade on a demo account, and then once you feel comfortable, just start trading one contract. Okay, so let's say for instance you traded one contract, you're making uh, gross $40 per day on just say 8 points. Okay, when you take away commissions and net profit, it's about say this rounded down say $35. So $35 a day times five. Okay, so that's what is that? 100 about 160 $170 a week, which is not a lot. But what's happening there is you are gaining your confidence, guys. That's the most thing. You're gaining your confidence. So what happens is, as time goes on, instead of trading one contract, you trade two contracts, and three contracts, and four contracts. Before you know it, you're all the way up to say 10 contracts. Okay, with this methodology. And again, you once the signal is triggered, all you have to do is enter the trade. And a lot of times you're in the trade for me. I've been in a trade, for less than 10 seconds, and it gets me out of there, and I make my money, and I'm good for the day. All right. There are times when you might be in for say three to 5 minutes, or maybe 10 minutes at the very most, but that's very highly unlikely if you're in for 10 minutes. Normally, it's around, I would say, between 1 to 5 minutes that you're in the trade once it's triggered. So that's how that works. So anyway, um, the website, if you want to go to, it's actual video. It's called secrettradingsystem.com. I'll put that link down at the bottom of the comment section. So all you have to do is hit it. Just go there and listen to the video. The course is very, it's not like really expensive. It's very affordable. I don't charge any like upsells or anything like that at all. I offer money back guarantee, and I do offer my phone number, my personal cell phone number, my email address in case you have questions. But all you have to do, guys, is follow the simple system. It will work for you. No doubt about that. Okay. So with that being said, hope you guys have a good day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.